Keeping up with the Samyang noodle trend, the kids wanted to make something special for me this week as it was my birthday. They decided to use the noodles and add some mixed veg, and this is what turned out. This is a quick video. If you would like to try it, give it a go. Using the pink carbonara Samyang noodles, it does have a very cheesy taste, but the sauce is a bit of a chili sauce, so you can limit the amount according to your preference. While your noodles are boiling for 5 minutes, to your pot add some olive oil, a teaspoon of crushed garlic. Let it sizzle in the oil and then start adding all your mixed veg. They stir fried the mixed veg for approximately 2 minutes while the noodles were boiling. We enjoy our vegetables with a little bit of a bite, so if you want to fry it for a little bit longer, you can. Add some salt and then start adding all of your noodles. And once you've added all of your noodles, you then can start adding some pasta water, some noodle water. You can use the ratio of 4 tablespoons of water to a bag of noodles. The carbonara seasoning is very cheesy and delicious, so we added the carbonara seasoning. And Shivaya then mixed it all into the noodles, gave it a good toss, and then we added the sauce. Now you can also use it according to your preference, how much of sauce you want. If it's a very spicy, I actually used only 1 sachet of sauce to approximately 2 to 3 packs of noodles because of the spice levels. They then tossed the sauce into the noodles and added some more grated cheese because they love that cheesy flavor. It was a very quick hack, a very easy meal. The kids were happy, I enjoyed it myself, and I hope you guys try it too. The kids did a fantastic job. I'm definitely going to try more of the other flavors and I'll share it with you. Please subscribe, kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are very welcome. Have a beautiful day.